Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Right in front of us we have the Google Pixel Watch 2 and it is a little partnership with Fitbit. If you guys didn't know, Fitbit and Google kind of work together for their smartwatches. Fitbit still has their own smartwatches, but Google does also have their own lineup and they've partnered with Fitbit with this one right over here. So yesterday I shot an unboxing and first impressions of the brand new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL that I have right in front over here, and we're going to be shooting a little day in the life today with it. So if you'd like to go check out those videos, they're all going to be linked down in the description below. But today I wanted to check out the Pixel Watch 2. This is not the brand new one. The brand new one is still on a pre-order, but this one was available at Best Buy when I picked up the phone, and I was like, hey, why not pair a Google smartwatch that I've never checked out before and see how it runs with my day. And so here's the unboxing and first impressions. I got mine in the LTE version with the matte black case, as you guys can see, and the Obsidian Active Band, which is pretty nice. Now, unlike Apple Watches, the Google Pixel Watches do come with two sets of bands, which is super good depending on your wrist size. And so to open this box up, we have a little pull tab right over here, I believe. We're gonna pull that right over here and it comes out just like so. We're gonna set that aside, and here we are greeted with the box itself. It is just plain and white, and I believe it opens just like so, and there you are greeted with the Pixel Watch 2. And so on the left side, I believe we are going to have our charger right in here. So yep, we do have our charger just like so. Let's see if we could pull that out. So this is a USB Type-C to the charger for the Pixel Watch 2, and it is interesting what Google has done. They are offering us a 4-pin battery charger right over here. So unlike the Apple Watches that you just stick on magnetically, this is a 4-pin one, so you kind of get those pins at the right placement at the back of your watch. So we're just gonna slide that right back in because we will not be needing that just about now. And here on the right side you can see that we have those bands. So I believe that this one is probably the large band, because most people are going to be completely fine with the small band. And here in the middle we have the watch itself. Very nice unboxing, Google usual unboxing experience. And here we are. We're gonna pull this tab right off. Beautiful, nice ASMR right there. And there you go. We are greeted with the watch. If I could get this sticky part off, there you go. And here is the watch for you guys. Wow, Google has really packaged this up securely. All right, so we're just gonna set that right back in there and package it back in here. And there is the Pixel Watch 2 itself. You have that beautiful case with the black color. Honestly, I was hoping to get a color that kind of matched the porcelain more on my Pixel 9 Pro XL, but overall, I will have to say that the black on porcelain does not look too bad. So here at the back you guys can see that 4-pin that I was talking about for the charger, and this is the small band. So we're just gonna unloop it right there, and we're going to set that on to our wrists. And let's see here, it seems like it'll fit pretty good. We're just gonna pull that. Now my wrists aren't the biggest, nor are they the smallest, but on the second loop over here, I could get a nice secure snug fit, which looks pretty good. So here we are going to power on the Pixel Watch. Let's hope that it has a little bit of battery, and yes it does. So here you go, you get that Google logo, and we're just gonna run through the setup process and jump into my first impressions. And so here I am, you guys could hear that little ding right over there. So we're just gonna jump into our Pixel, and you can see how quickly that recognizes each other. The Pixel ecosystem, the Google ecosystem, if I could call it that way. So here we are, the codes match up, and I'll say confirm. Super easy, allow, and it jumps you straight into the app. So it is connecting to the watch. It could take a few moments, but honestly, for Google, I know I'm being kind of biased because I am not being biased. I am an Apple fanboy, and I will say that so far my experience with Pixel has not been horrible. Like, the only downside, and that's just because I'm too used to iOS, is getting used to the Android iOS over here. But overall, their products, visually, they look beautiful. The unboxing process is pretty fun, and they've been working pretty quickly. So you can see that it is connecting to my Google account right there. And let's see here, copy your Google accounts to your watch. I will do that. I will do that on-screen fingerprint, very cool feature over there. And it is just signing me in. And so here it is just asking me to accept a few privacy agreements and so forth. And yeah, first impressions, I do find that it is kind of small, the watch face itself. Now, that is kind of a known problem or issue, if I could put it that way, for the Pixel watches. They don't really have different sizes from what I know that you could order them in, but overall I don't think it's a big issue because you do have that pretty big watch face. The bezels are hardly to be seen, and overall, you know, the nice rounded shape on your wrist does look pretty clean. I mean, you do know that the Apple watches, as an example, do have that squared off curved design, and although they look nice and appealing, and yeah, they're Apple, whatever, the thing with them is that they do not look too good. Like, let's say you're going out and you're going to an event or you're going to a meeting and you want to still have that classic watch look, but still have a smartwatch on your wrist. The squared off design does not look like a classic watch. But on the other hand, with Pixel, having that circular design looks more so like a classic watch, especially having it all nice black, nice shiny, but then you still have a smartwatch on your wrist, which really makes the Pixel watch stand up there. But anyways, as you guys can see, it says to continue on the phone. So we're going to see what the phone says. It is talking about some limited warranty over there. So we're just going to click continue. We're getting that account info, and my watch is set on my left wrist and the crown is on the right side. So it already knows. It's talking about some Google Fitbit stuff, how you could track your workouts, your sleep, take charge of your health. Now, what's pretty cool about this watch is the fact that it has like stress notifications. So let's say you're super stressed out, it'll give you a little notification on your watch and be like, hey, calm down, let's take a breather together and go on with your day. So now it'd like to connect it with Fitbit, and we're gonna sign in with that existing account. Hopefully I remember the password because I have not used it in such a long time. Pretty interesting, snore and noise detection. So here, I guess if you're sleeping and you are a snorer or you're making lots of noise during your sleep, it could detect it, and that could kind of, I guess, help with you know, talking with your doctor, showing what time it happens during the night, and seeing how you guys could get together and resolve that. But anyways, here you go. You could see that old Alexa skill that I had. And whoops, I probably woke mine up right back there. Sorry to all the viewers. But anyways, that little skill that I had back in October, I think it was 2022 or something like that, was still available in my account. So this is a pretty old account. I just removed it because I don't use it anymore. But here I'm just going to consent to Fitbit transferring my personal data to Google, and consent to Google using my health and wellness data to provide updates to Fitbit, and just agree to all of that so I can move forward to the process of setting it up. Agree, so many things to agree. Now connect Google Pixel Watch 2 to the Fitbit app, so I will agree to that. Now I think if you do not do that, you're basically just going to be using your phone, or I should say your Pixel Watch, with your phone to pick up calls and get notifications, but connecting it to the Fitbit app allows you to use it for some different health data, tracking your workouts, your sleep, and so forth. And my watch is connected to the Fitbit app. Awesome. So your Google Pixel Watch 2 comes with 6 months of Fitbit Premium membership, which is pretty cool. I will say that the Google setup process is a lot longer than Apple's, but that's also because it is connected to Fitbit, the app itself. So the Google Pixel Watch comes with safety features. So here we are getting into what Apple calls the emergency SOS, crash detection, and all of that. So Google still has kind of that same stuff for their Pixel. Would I like to set up Google Assistant. Just for the sake of it, I will say yes, although I do not like the Google Assistant. Again, that's probably me being biased and also because I will never use an assistant on my wrist, but I'll just say agree. And voice match, why not? And my assistant is set up, so to use it I will just need to press and hold the side button to talk to my assistant. I did not even realize that there was a side button over here, so as you guys can see there's a side button right there, and then there's the crown, and my assistant is set up, which is awesome. We're gonna get that camera to refocus there, and there you go. Would I like to set a lock for my watch? Why not? I will just use my usual pin that I use on my phone. I'm gonna confirm that once more, and there you go. Now the exciting stuff is happening. Google Wallet, I will like to set that up because I will like to see how it is going to work. And there you go. So now I could select which apps I want on my watch, and it is almost ready. And there you go, starting. I was just about to show you guys something that I got, but start ringing. So let me show you guys in the meantime the Pixel Buds A series. So I will also be testing these ones out, seeing how they work with the Pixel Watch inside the Pixel 9 Pro XL, whatever it's called, the ecosystem, and seeing if Google really has these certified real tech products, just as Tech Realism would say. So if you guys would like to go check out that unboxing and first impressions, make sure to go check out the video that's linked right up here. And my watch is ready, so I will click done, I'll click allow, and there you guys go. You can see that the watch is right there, and so far so good. So this is the Google Pixel Watch app. I'll just run through it. You can see that I have my battery percentage right there, and here you could run through a bunch of different watch faces, which is pretty nice. Ooh, this one seems pretty cool. I really like minimal stuff, as you guys can see. So just having your heart rate and the time. This one shows your steps, the date, but I'll just stick with the one that Google gave us over here, the usual. Go back here, you have some tiles, so you could set up which tile you'd like to use, whether you'd like to have the forecast, your Google Assistant, your Google Calendar, so whatever you'd like to see on the main page. Once you swipe here, you could select which one it is, and over here you have a bunch of different settings, and overall that is the app that you guys could explore. Pretty straightforward. So this is the watch itself. Press the crown to go back to the watch face, and then the button right over here is to go to your recents. So that button over here, you scroll through your recent apps, and here you could find all of the apps that you have installed on your Pixel Watch. So pretty cool. We are going to see how this Pixel Watch holds up. Overall, it seems pretty cool. It does have that Pixel Google looking UI. I have my steps, my heart rate here. I could select which workout I'd like to start. You do also have the flashlight. Let's see. Yeah, the flashlight does work. So if you're in a super dark environment, you could switch between white, red, and having it off. You have Google Wallet right over there, so you could tap anywhere. You could see your weather, which is pretty sweet, hourly as well. And here you could access all of your workouts. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this little unboxing and just setup and first impressions of the Google Pixel Watch 2, please make sure to smash that like button. It's been a long time that I haven't really done a tops down long form video just like this one, but lots of you guys have been asking for these type of just sit down, check out the device videos. I'm more into the lifestyle, like how are you gonna use it in your day type of videos, but this brings me back to a few years ago when I used to do these a lot. So thank you for suggesting that. Please make sure to subscribe with notifications on and check out Techrific It Is on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where I try to keep you guys the most up to date with what's going on in my life and my tech journey. And until then, go check out the whole new Pixel unboxings and day in the lives that we're dropping. If they haven't dropped, they'll be dropped sometime soon. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay techie.